Hello children, welcome back to the EVS class. Let us continue with the chapter Introducing Myself. Before we move any further, we need to know what we have learned from past. First we learned was how to introduce ourselves, identify the favorite things and activities. We also understood that we all have different likes and dislikes. We learn about identity card and its purpose. So let's see what we have in our textbook. So children, this is our EVS course book. But before we open it, let's know what are we going to study in EVS. EVS means Environmental Studies. Children, you will get to know things about your environment like plants, animals, air, water, soil, food, human body parts, clothes, etc. It is a very interesting subject. So let's see what we have in our first chapter. Okay, here you go. We are on page number 8, chapter 1. Oh wow, there are two lovely children like you on the page. So let us see what we have to know about them. Let us read together. So this is Akash. He is a boy. He was born on 22nd March. So 22nd March is Akash's birthday. He loves coloring. Next, about the girl. This is Meera. She is girl. She is 6 years old. She loves playing football. Okay, children. Now, as you can see, there are two different children on your page, and there is different information about them. The boy's name is Akash. He is a boy, as you can see, and his birthday is on 22nd March. Also, his hobby is coloring, or he likes coloring. Whereas on the left side there is a small girl playing football. Her name is Meera. She's a girl and she's 6 years old. Also, her hobby is playing football. So, we all are different than each other. We all have different likes and dislikes. We all have different birthdays, birth year, and different name. So, we have different identities. Understood, children? So, children, let's see what we have ahead. Children, in our previous videos, we have learned about what is identity card and why it is used. So, let us read what they have to say about identity card. An identity card is a small card that tells people some important things about you, such as your name, your age, and the place where you live. It also has your photograph posted on it. Children, don't you have an iCard? Yes, you have an iCard which is given to you by our school. I also have my iCard which is also given to me by our school. But are they similar? No, they are not similar because I have a different name, you have a different name. We all have different name identities than each other. So, what the iCard has to tell? iCard tells us our name, date of birth, our parents' name, our address where we live, or the school which we go, the class that we study. It also has our photograph on it. So basically, it is a small card telling information about us. Is it clear, children? So now all you have to do is fill the identity card with your details on it and show it as a next assignment. Now let's see what we have next. So children, let's see what we have next in our textbook. My favorite things and activity. Children, what is the meaning of favorite? Okay, let me tell you. Favorite means the things that is more close to you than the others. For example, you must be having lot of clothes, but you like your favorite frock or your favorite t-shirt the most. You like a specific toy the most. You love your one friend who is very special for you and he is your favorite. So the thing that you like more than the others is your favorite. I can have a favorite dress. I can have a favorite color. I also can have a favorite friend. So, favorite means the things that you like more than the others. Now, we have a fill in the blank given in our textbook. Let's fill it quickly. First fill in the blank says, I love to play dash and dash. So here you have to write any two games that you love to play. Second, I also love to besides games and you can also you can write a thing that you love to do. Like it may be painting, it may be crafting, it may be helping your mother in cooking. So any activity that you love to do. Second sentence. My favorite food is dash. Here you have to write the favorite dish that you like the most. For example, you can write upma, idli, or for instance pizza, burger, anything which you like the most. Then next is and my favorite drink is dash. So here you have to write which is your favorite drink. It can be a soft drink like fruity or mirinda, or it can be a glass of milk also. So that is the information that we have to fill here in the fill in the blanks. Next, children, we like to do different things in our free time. These activities that we enjoy doing are called our hobbies. Whenever you get free time, if you are doing something besides studies or sleeping or eating, and the thing that you do to spend your time, leisure time, is called as hobby. So children, we all have different hobbies. Like I have a hobby of collecting stamps, or I can have a hobby of painting. I can have a hobby of reading. The things that you like to do in your free time. I am special. Children, do you know what does this mean? Even though we all look similar, we all look same, but we are different than each other in many ways. How? For example, you have a different height, whereas your friend is a bit taller or shorter than you. You have brown eyes, but your friend has black colored eyes. You have a fair complexion, but your friend has a darker complexion. Also, you love to do cycling, and your friend loves to do painting. So that makes you different or your friend different from each other. So that is how we are special for each other. So let's see what is in the fill in the blanks. First sentence, I like to eat dash, but my friend likes dash. Here you will write the thing that you love to eat, and in the second fill in the blank, you will fill the food that your friend likes to have most. Second sentence, my hobby is dash and my friend's hobby is dash. First sentence here, you have to write your favorite hobby, your hobby, and second fill in the blank, you will write your friend's hobby. For example, you might like cycling, painting, running, dancing, and your friend might not like all this. He might like to play cricket, football, or he might like to collect stamps. So you can do this homework with the help of your parents. Children, with this, we all have understood that we all are special or unique because we are different from each other. So children, before we come to an end, let's see what all new words we have studied. First word, birthday. 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 Birthday means the day or date on which you were born. Identity. Identity. Identity means who or what a person or thing is. Grown up. GROWN. Grown. You be up. A man or a woman or a person who is not a child. Favorite. 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 Favorite means something that you like more than the other. So children, that was an interesting topic to study. Now we shall meet in the next video. We will solve the question answers. So be prepared with your notebook and your pencil. For now, it's bye from me.